One of the lesser known features in Inkscape is the ability to lock layers and objects so that they are fixed to your canvas and can't be moved around. And a good example of when such a thing would be useful is when you are tracing over an image. Having the ability to lock the image allows you to fix it to the canvas so that you don't accidentally click it and move it around when you're trying to draw. So let's go over how you can do this. I have this example image open on my canvas. If I open up my layers menu by going to layer and selecting layers and objects, I'll get this menu over here which indexes everything that's on my canvas. You may have to click on it to make everything populate there like I just did, but once you do, you can see everything within here. We have layer 1 and then we have the image within layer 1. Now if you notice over here on the right hand side, we have this lock icon. If I click that lock icon, now that image is locked. So if I try to click and drag to move this around, I cannot do that. It is fixed in place and everything I do will happen on top of that and not change anything at all. So the image here is locked. I can continue adding objects to the layer. If I want to lock the entire layer, I can lock the layer as well so that all of the contents within that layer are locked, and now I can't make any kind of transformations to those objects as well. Now, if at any point you want to remove your layer locks, all you have to do is just click the icon again, and now it is removed, and you can go back to transforming your objects as you previously did.